Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Apple has introduced iPhone 13 and 13 mini, and like previous years, the new models comes in pink, blue, midnight, starlight and product red. New this year is a subtle pink and a slightly different blue model. If you have decided to buy the new iPhone, the second most important question is which color to choose from. So let's see all the colors in detail in this video and find out which one is the best for you. So let's start the video, but before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Starting with the black color, it's very similar to the last year model and nothing has changed. Shiny glass back which attracts a lot of fingerprints and jet black matte finish from the sides. As usual, it's a winner as it's a classic and timeless color. Let's talk about Starlight White, which looks really good and impressive. A thin white line on the front from the sides. The best thing is that it does not show any fingerprints like the black glass back finish and looks more neat. A very impressive color choice once again by Apple. Nearly as iconic as the black one. Talking about product red, this is definitely a loud color and slightly more prominent from the side. I would definitely recommend this color because of the cause associated with this color. Now let's talk about the new and unique color pink. It's a very impressive and smart color choice. Once again, a subtle pink color gives a fresh new look. For a moment I thought I was holding the Starlight white color as it looks quite similar, but definitely there is a difference and both looks impressive. It's a light pink shade and more prominent from the side. And lastly, the new blue color. It's also a fresh new blue color, definitely different than the last year's iPhone 12 blue color, which was more dark and navy. This one is more subtle and lighter blue shade and looks more fresh. Even from the side, it's more on a lighter shade of blue. So that's it guys for this color comparison video. Which is your favorite color? Please do mention in the comments below. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.